OBS setting to remove background noises. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reduce or remove background noises when you record a video or go to stream using OBS. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your OBS. So let's say that this is my OBS right here, which I'm using to record. Now, what you'll have to do is you'll see this audio mixer and you'll see your mic right here. Now you can see that my mic is currently working. All I have to do is tap on the three dots right here, head over to filters, and on filters, it can take some time to load, but after it loads, here tap on the plus icon on the bottom left of the audio filter. After you tap on it, you will see an option called noise suppression. Tap on it and tap on OK. What this does is this actually removes or suppresses your noise, that is your background noises and stuff like that. So there are different methods that you can use, such as specs and RNN noise. So you can choose whichever you want. If you want a low quality one with low CPU users, you can choose specs, or if you want good quality with more CPU users, you can choose RNN. After that, you can tap on close. There's also another option called noise gate, which you can add like this. And yeah, you can choose your thresholds, such as your close and open thresholds, which will also help you reduce your noise. And those are the settings on your OBS that will help you reduce your background noises, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.